Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to backup Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro data to cloud with HyperOS 3. Go to the settings, about tablet, backup and restore, backup, and here we must turn on it. Sorry, we must get back. Here Xiaomi Cloud, here backups, and turn it on. Here we can choose how often backups will be done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, press like button below the video, and goodbye.